Hey guys, it's Alex here. I just got a new package in the mail. It seems to be from Subaru District Central, and I didn't order anything from Subaru, so let's see what it is. I had applied to be an ambassador for Subaru, but I'm pretty sure it got canceled. I don't believe I had heard back from them. Oh, here is. Hi, Alexander. On behalf of the Subaru Ambassador Program, we want to thank you for your interest in becoming a Subaru Ambassador. It is because of people like you that help us make Subaru everything it is. As you can imagine, we receive a large amount of applications, and we want to thank you for the time taking to express your interest. To thank you for your patience and willingness to be involved in spreading the love for Subaru, we want to present you with this exclusive car seat shaped phone stand, my bad. Sorry guys. That is pretty cool. So I guess because I applied to be an ambassador, I take it I didn't get accepted, but I got a STI seat. How about that, guys?